Dito tayo ngayon sa AFP para sa book launching ng libro ni Attorney Elba, yung 6th Dimension. So, na-feature yung artwork natin doon, kaya ayun, nandito tayo. Hi! Ayun o. Ito o.
Opo sir. Nagpapadayon.
Pero ka pala doon sa libro.
Ay, oo nga daw po eh.
8 books yun sir, wiki.
Hello?
Umpisahan mo na ngayon bago kagabihin.
Hello. Pumirma ka muna. Pumirma ka na.
Saan? Ay. Ayun o. Happy birthday.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Australia.
Ayan. Page 240, 240, 241.
Lahat siya, bigyan na.
Ano lang, tingnan mo kung paano sila pumirma.
Kung huwag kakahiwala,
Dito siguro.
parehas to. Sabi ni attorney, kung isang spread, kahit yung one side lang yung signature.
Ayan. So, pirma ka siguro dito. Dito. Tapos, dito na.
Yes. So, walang kopya po.
Walang kopya yung pipirmahan. Namit mo na cup si Sir Renny Valentino, Art Center.
Hello sir. So, okay. Isa na lang.
Walang din. Pinagin ko muna. Pwede daw malaki sir.
Ha?
Yung signature, pwede malaki.
Oh, papangit yung libro.
Thank you.
Ay, saan? Sorry. Thank you.
Program will start in 5 minutes.
Uy, na yun.
and excitement that we welcome you all to this momentous occasion. The Sixth Dimension Culture-Driven Nation book launch, signing, and turnover here at the National Defense College of the Philippines.
Thank you all for coming. Now I'm overwhelmed because I see a cross-section of all the people that I have dealt with in the last 15 years. And definitely, I'm very happy to share all my learnings with you today. I wrote Sixth Dimension to honor those who came before us, those living today, and most especially the next generation, imbued with the core values of love of country, valor, honor, loyalty, duty, and solidarity. Sixth Dimension, Culture-Driven Nation, reflects on the profound connection between culture and nation building. It prefers a strategy anchored in the transformative power of cultural paradigms that are meant to be embedded into the nation's core policies and initiatives. Culture is the repository of our soul, spirit, and character. This is the path to greatness.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. First, I would like, of course, to congratulate the woman of the hour, Atty. Elba Cruz. Education is the primary toolkit to promote, cascade, and even advance policies and programs, and including all the advocacies that teach Filipinos how to become a better Filipino.
Ang corruption ay malalaman mo lang kung insider ka. What does this mean in terms of legislation? Dapat yung whistleblower law ay paipingin. Kasi ngayon, ang whistleblower, pag siya ay nagsalita, ang unang-unang gagawin sa kanya ay tatagpasin siya. Wala nilang trabaho.
Nandito po tayo at nagagalak na andito kayo iba't ibang sektor para bigyan ng kahalagahan itong obra maestra ni Attorney Dr. Elba Cruz.
Actually, yung lapu-lapu dyan, symbolism dyan, mapa yan ng Pilipinas, di ba? Yes, that's a symbol, symbolism of our country. Luzon, tapos Palawan,
Ganda concept.
So, kung talaga yan, kung just fighting for art, hindi lang what, or sa talagang papakita mo na ito yung ating pinakakuan, autonomy. Ano? Autonomy natin.